Howdy folks, Sunday means one thing, magnificent. I'm Chris, here's Bobby Yam Yam.
Yeah, good morning everybody.
Over at Smethwick. Been to this location several times. I've always had some good results. The last time we was over here, we pulled two Mills grenades.
Yes, sir.
One from about there, and I think Bob pulled one out about there. We was just about to leave, and all of a sudden the Odin shouted out, "Grenade!" And went to the next bridge up, and Pops again. He had a pump action shotgun. So it's been 12 months or 2 years since we've been here.
18 months.
Yeah, just over a year anyway since we've been into this bridge. Always wanted to come back. So as I said, we've had some good results from here. Knives, guns, grenades, bullets, bit of everything. So catch you on the first find. Back in a bit. Got my first find. Couple of offerings. Yeah, they can go back in the water when we leave. Offerings. Got my next find. The remains of a wheelbarrow. That was heavy to get out, that was. Back in a bit. Got my next find. It come up wrapped in a piece of plastic with a little, I think it was a screw or a nail around it. It's heavy and it's not magnetic. I don't think it's gold. I wouldn't think to take it home, clean it up. Show you a photo of it later. Catch you on the next. Next find. Little bell things. And there's a bit of costume jewellery over. Don't know, jingly things. Got another picture frame, some sort of offering. That can go back in the water later on. Somebody's god. In a bag. Mystery bag. About some car. Nah, wheel nuts. Grounded myself then. Penny. Missed. Try by the side. Got snagged on something then. Some more of them jingly bells. Got some more of them bell things. Two lots now. I would say so, yeah. Oh, stick to the sides. Have a look. Oh, literally stuck to the side. Oh, damn it. Come on now. Net bar. Pair of scissors. Penny. 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 Scrap. Another penny, 2p. Oh, I had something there. Still on. Still on, whatever it is. That's some more. Some more than bloody jingly things.
Bob? Yeah.
Got his first find.
Yeah.
What you got, mate?
I got a tape. It's called Water Music.
There's Donna, Jay, Black Country Canal Rats. Come to join us today. Catch you in a bit. Next find, our cooking pot. And our Donna is modelling for me. A bit of bling bling.
How far are you going?
Black Country.
Probably some sort of an offering or something.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, there's fish on. Had a shout from Jay. Got his second DVLA wheel clamp. His second one. Donna was going to put it round the neck with a chain, but a bit too heavy. Come on, Bob.
Oh no.
There's fish on. Next find, a car key. Fish on. Here's Kyle. Let's watch him pull something decent out. Come on, chap. Chuck it in. Get a cog over.
No pressure. Bob is a little bit of pressure.
Yeah, this is Kyle, part of Black Country Canal Rats. He's Jay.
Training member.
He's our Donna. Donna's got an arm injury, so she's taking it easy. All the pressure's on Kyle.
All them one-arm bandits he's been playing. That's what's happened.
And here's Bobby Yam Yam doing his own bit. Come on, Carl, what you got?
Mystery bag. Yeah. Get a nice double-handed ball.
Rubbish.
Hi.
Nah, he needs more training, doesn't he?
He does, he does.
Nothing there.
Oh,
Spring, maybe.
Spring. Yeah, we've got to train him up.
Needs more training. Jay got his third DVLA clamp. Third one of the day.
One more, we can put it on 4 wheels.
That's it, let's finish on. Well, that's it, had enough, time's caught up. Not much come out, not really. I think Jay's had the best finds, wheel clamps and everything. So from me, Bobby Yam Yam,
Yeah.
Kyle, Donna, Jay.
Come on a bit.
See you all next time.
Bye.
Ta-ra in a bit.